How to use Stack with Wix Studio. So in order to use Stack with Wix Studio, what we can do is we can just select some elements that we want to stack together. For example, let's head over and then you can select any part of the website that you want to stack. So for example, I have in here this. I'll just head over and then select in here the title. And then once you have selected the title, next thing you need to do is to make sure to click onto the shift keyboard or shift button on your keyboard and then select the other element. So I have inputted my shift keyboard and then you can select the another element that you have right here. Not, you can see in here this stack option. So head over and click onto the stack. And then once you have done that, it should be able to stack or group these two elements together. So whenever you move one, the other one will also move. So that's how you use Stack with Wix Studio. Hope you helped.